I would say that the biggest challenge as an intern is actually also has to do with my favorite thing as an intern, in that it's a really big mindset shift from being a PhD student to being an outreach educator. But it actually has to do with how to explain a chemical induction system to someone who has never heard of an inducer. And so that has been an adjustment, but a welcome one. Hi, my name is Eric Bueno, and I'm an intern at BioBuilder. I actually asked Natalie, the CEO, if they offered an internship experience, and at the time she said that they did not. However, she would see what she could do. And then we kind of iteratively worked out the details of the internship, and now here I am. So this summer I've actually been working on 3 different projects. The first of which has to do with actually a partner company called Transfer, who are trying to basically develop an AI benchtop assistant, providing objective certification for students as they learn basic lab skills. I actually watched some of the teachers kind of have that same spark of excitement that I often see in students when they finally kind of understand a lab, and kind of seeing the teachers still have that kind of excitement for science was something that kind of excited me to continue on in this field. So my plan moving forward after the PhD and after this internship is actually to probably work at a similar organization, if not the same organization, where STEM is promoted to either underserved communities, to just kind of expand the kind of people that are in the field. I'm Eric, thank you for stopping by and meeting a BioBuilder intern.